Amdan ka jing nghe habang ishim kialang jing jer ho jing ring swai ha kam net jongi jing bombang jom ka bam ka bala bun sngi dan kat ka jer ho snam bat pu sem men miet ki dei ki dak ki shin jong ka tv jing tep ka batik na la pi kwa ban yo len mi sha hospital ba pin yo tesno lada jing pangka don ha kamet jong pi jing sumar badawai ki long ki ba free lada pisha sumar jing yaram pinyo naka sorkar sanspa bye ban shibnai but pi yo a.
Hello everyone, welcome back all Khasi people, Meghalaya, Shillong. So today I'm with my brother Philip. Welcome. Yeah, say hi to them. Tell them your country.
Hello guys. My name is Philip. I'm from Lesotho. It's a small country in the southern part of Africa, surrounded by all South Africa.
Okay, is Lesotho the smallest country in the world?
No, it's not the smallest country.
But it's among the smallest countries.
Yeah, it's among the smallest countries.
Okay, it's from a small country, guys. So what is just famous about your country, in case if people want to know? What is Lesotho known for?
I think
Like for South Sudan, we are known for petroleum engineering. Like we produce so much of oil and gas.
For my country, the thing is that I think it's one of the highest in above sea level.
Above sea level.
Above sea level, and my country it snows, by the way.
It is?
There's snow in winter.
Snow? It's snow?
It snows.
Wow, then your country is like Meghalaya.
Yeah.
That much is enough, okay?
There's snow, and there are a lot of what? Lot of mountains.
Wow, that's why I say it is similar like Meghalaya. I don't know if Meghalaya, I don't think it is snow, but it's so cool.
Yeah.
Because I visit, it's one of the coolest places because of the hill and mountains.
Yeah, okay.
So you have one similarity from Lesotho, guys. And my country is the hottest country. That's why our skin are getting black, guys. So today we are checking one song here from Wanbhaa. Wanbhaa is one of biggest musician artists in Shillong, guys.
Okay.
He's so famous and a good guy only. So today I think it's kind of a awareness music video. This music video is just to make people know about the TB which is going in the state.
Yeah.
For the people to know and to be aware and to take care of themselves. So they say the music title is NGIN IA PYRTA. Tell us what does it mean. This is only Khasi word because they speak Khasi. So this is Wanbhaa feat Dapynn. Two collaboration there, guys. Subtitle is provided. So we are going to check. Kindly make sure subscribe, guys. Put on the notification bell if you post any video so that you will be aware. Let's do it. This is their city, how it's like mountain and like that. And they don't have rail train because of the hill also. So nice place, so cool. Yeah, a lot of trees. It's natural place, man. When you find like this side, houses are here, other side because of
The kawe kasur ngin ya perta yes we can and tv mapi ban manga ngin ya rat ding kong ya kane ka jing pang don ka jing nghe ha bang ishim kialang jing jer ho jing ring swai ha kam net jongi jing bombang jom ka bam ka bala bun sngi dan kat ka jer ho snam bat pu sem men miet ki dei ki dak ki shin jong ka tv jing tep ka batik na la pi kwa ban yo len mi sha hospital ba pin yo tesno lada jing pangka don ha kamet jong pi jing sumar badawai ki long ki ba free lada pisha sumar jing yaram pin yo naka sorkar sanspa bye ban shibnai but pi yo a.
See, that's something nice, right?
That's
like
good. That's good.
this is actually a plan of a government because I think maybe by now this disease is becoming more in the state.
Instead, yeah.
So what they did is like if you feel those symptoms of sweatness, coughing blood, something like that, you have to visit any nearby hospital, government hospital for sure.
Yeah.
Then they will provide free treatment, and they will also monthly they are giving like 500 for supplements.
Yeah, for supplements.
So that
It's
is
a good thing that even the
yeah.
government is even supporting.
Yeah, that's
It's
very,
very, very
nice
supportive.
thing.
Yeah, it's very,
They
very
can
supportive.
easily now, they can easily protect that.
It's not
This-
just to provide the health center, then you get treatment, but you get your supplements again. Some people they don't have that supplement.
Yeah,
Money for
that's
supplement.
very
Yeah.
true.
So
That's
the
very
government
true.
will just show up again, to just support.
Yeah,
It's good.
that's nice thing from the government, because you know in every country there is people who even don't have money for food,
For food, yeah.
right? Even if they go for treatment, they will get treatment without food.
Without food, how are you going to-
How the treatment will
Yeah.
work, right? This is very
Because you
nice,
need
guys.
food, yeah.
This is very nice thing, and it's good like to promote, guys, to promote such thing for keeping the healthy and safety in the state, guys. Let's just watch more and we'll get to understand.
Yaki dawai da kawai kasur ngin ya perta yes we can and TV mapiban manga ngin yara ding kong ya kaneka jingpang omdan ka jingye habangi shim kyalang tuberculosis kabangi yatim kadai ruka jingpang bayabin ladangin sumar bayaka yachingin banshim rukam salia Henry ladangi ya pikir kumbalap tadaki doktor yaki dawai ngindi tista knang bajing pang kantlot bor alilang baro min yarisa shirup lang ali min yasno kikti min ya kershan min nom iben min tendu jaja jingpang
NTV,
tibi
guys. Just
dekawai
promote.
kasur
Let
min
other
ya
people be aware,
pertaya
especially people who don't have
tibi
phone now.
mapiban manga
How do
min
you
yara
feel?
ding kong ya kaneka jingpang omdon ka jingye habangi shim kyalang
Is that
Dekawai
cooperation or
kasur
with the government?
ngin ya perta yes we can and TV mapiban manga ngin yara ding kong ya kaneka jingpang omdon ka jingye habangi shim kyalang Lawan Rashapi Dako Office Jonga District Tuberculosis Officer National Tuberculosis Elimination Program East Khasihills District Meghalaya
Nice one, but that is something nice to see. And this is actually a good plan, seeing government trying to, it's not only about promoting music, it's using music in a good way.
In a good way, yeah.
That is very
Because-
good way.
Because nowadays the youth, all of us, like most of the time, we don't like listening to news, right?
Yes.
So if you don't like listening to news,
Then
we
if-
we like listening to music.
To music,
So
yeah.
that music, they use it as a form of passing information
Yeah,
to us.
information.
Because you know that young people they like music.
Yes,
So
yes.
okay, just pass this.
Let's
this
collaborate
best
and
information
through your
and
music
what,
we'll
then they
make
will
it.
listen through the music.
Yeah.
Then we just have to listen.
And for example, if this guy will have did it like kind of promotion, not promotion, I mean just like kind of information of sitting and telling, some people will skip.
yeah, they will skip. They will,
They
just
will
skip.
not see it
But
interesting.
because it's music.
It's music,
Some people, they
and
love
he
it.
has a lot of fun. If now I'm your fan, whatever you will post, I will watch
will
it,
listen,
right?
yeah.
I will
I'll
listen to
listen
it.
to it, yeah.
So this is a good way of,
It's a good way of passing information.
yeah. At least now 100 and 120k people are aware of
That-
TV
that-
now.
that-
So if this video will go more viral, so many people will know, guys. So anyway, we have nothing much to say, and we just have to. I have our messages for you guys. Just inform other people who don't have phone, because not everyone is in social media. Let your grandparents and uncles also know about that, so that they will be aware, guys. Because and nowadays people, it's hard for them to identify things like TB. When they get cough, they will think it's normal thing, it will go and come.
It's normal.
Until it will reach the last stage, that is when they are going to know.
When it's now critical.
Yeah, when it's critical, that is when they are going to feel.
going to-
They,
yeah.
they will know, and by that time it will be already late.
Yeah.
Maybe it has damaged some organs. So let's be careful, and if you are feeling those symptoms, visit hospital, guys. Government is now doing everything for free for you guys. So what else? You just have to visit. Yeah.
And
thank
sometimes you can
Huh?
just go. I'm saying, and sometimes
You can
just
also go.
for checkup.
Yeah, go
Just
for checkup.
without you even sick,
Without.
without even feeling anything.
Yes.
You just run the whole test
Yeah.
checkup.
Because TB
blood
once
test and
once it come in the
everything,
body, once it comes in the body, it's hard to know.
Yeah.
Especially for someone who is eating good,
It's eating good, yeah.
drinking good. It's hard for them to know. So you just have to go and see, check up, guys. So all the best and wishing quick recovery to all the people who are suffering from the infection, guys. Love from Africa. Kindly subscribe, share this video, guys. We are reacting also to promote or to make more awareness, guys. So love from Africa. Thank you.
Peace out.